I reckon we'll then.
Alright, then we'll come down now.
Bonjour, gents. So we've got urban planters in today, giving us some fresh plants for the office. If anybody is looking for fresh plants for the office, this is the place to come. We've got 3 plants here. Yeah. With the pots, and it costs, how much is it? £8 a week. It's nothing. And what they do is they come every week. How often do you come, Andy, and like water the plants and stuff like that?
You've got a maintenance contract, haven't you?
Yeah.
Probably would be perhaps once a month.
Right, once a month.
That's
right,
all
cool.
it'll be. They'll be fine. Zombies are just rock solid. They don't really take a great deal, to be honest. So yeah, don't pour your cups of tea on them or anything like that. Really.
I'm not even touching. This is why we've got this contract, so I don't have to do fuck all. So get in touch with Andy, Urban Planters. Yeah, get yourself some nice plants for the office. Love the plant.
Erin, are you happy? You've got your new plants.
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Are you happy,
I
Tim?
really wish, right? I would have made Erin hug them before they went, just to see her fucking crumble.
What would you have done?
Thank you for my plants. Like a tree, thank you for my plants.